So these are for all my nerdy people who like Legos. I'll show you how I put my things together. So, here's an engine, an updated engine for my V22 that I made. Simply gets attached just like that. If you want to see some features, here's that moves, this moves. Now for the same engine, just on the opposite side. Same way. Rotates like that. For some wings, 2 on one side. One goes like this. Well, they all go pretty much the same. There's that one. There's the updated little wing piecey. Has 2 wings right there, and 1 wing right there. Just like that. All complete. Here's that.